Using new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit is a 13x4 frontal. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. It is 24 inches long, honey, and it is a straight texture. Now if you're interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
We never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be. Me and you, we're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete, just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Each other in the things we do, it's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete, just you and me. Just let go. We never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be. Me and you, we're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete?
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished out in this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am wearing is their UNice 13x4 straight human hair wig. They got lace front wigs for African American women. 180% density glueless lace frontal wig, pre-plucked with baby hair from the Bet You series. Now this wig does only come in a 13x4. The only density that I see on here is 180%, and it comes in the lengths 10 to 26, and it says free part, which, you know, basically it's a frontal, so you can part it wherever you want to part this unit. I do have this wig in 24 inches, and everything else about this unit that I have is the same as on the site. So those are the details and specs. Now this is a straight wig. I did add some curls to it because honestly, y'all, I feel like straight hair is a time and a place. Like, I feel like everybody needs a straight wig, but I don't wear straight hair on the regular. Like, it's just like really not something that I do, you know, all the time. I do like, you know, a few curls, and I didn't want it to be super curly, but I wanted to add some curls, and I'll talk more about that later on. This wig, as it states, does come pre-tweezed. I did tweeze it a little more, but it really definitely came tweezed just like in this general area. Pretty good. Like I said, I did tweeze it some more, but I didn't tweeze it a whole lot. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, like, there's none. When it comes to straight wigs, especially a straight wig that doesn't have any color, I don't generally get a lot of shedding from my straight units. I just don't. And this one was definitely no different. There was really, yeah, no shedding whatsoever that I noticed. As far as tangles, it's the same thing. Like, I don't get no. If I get a straight wig that has tangles, I'm kind of like, but this one did not, so that is a plus. Now, as far as the wig being big head friendly, because this wig only comes in an average cap size, like they don't have anything else on the site, so I'm assuming you can only get an average cap size. I do feel like it's big head friendly. I did have to adjust my straps, and I told y'all my method with that is if I don't have to adjust my straps, and honey, then it's definitely only meant for medium to small heads. If I do have to adjust my straps, then I think that a larger head can fit it because it was too loose on my head, meaning it should be able to fit a bigger head. Like, that is just what I use to determine whether or not I think a unit is big head friendly. And yeah, that is basically it as far as the cap construction. Now, this unit this unit is a 13x4 frontal, so it goes 13 inches across and 4 inches back, and as you guys can see, you know, that's the parting space right there. So you can wear this wig half up, half down if you want to, different styles or whatever. You don't have to wear it as a middle part like I'm wearing it. You can wear it as a side part. You can do whatever you want to, girl. It's your hair, okay? So I just chose to wear a middle part, but you can definitely part this wig anywhere that you want to part it. And yeah, that's basically it for details and specs. So as far as a length check, I'm just going to show you guys right here for now. Like, it's pretty long, and like I said, it's a straight wig, and this is where it comes on me. Like, it's pretty long, and I'm going to show you guys where it comes on me in the back when I do my full 360. I am 5'4", so yeah, it's really long on me, okay? So anyways, if you are interested in that full 360 as well as what I think about this unit and the products that I use, then please continue to watch. Okay, so what I think about this wig, I like the unit. Like, it's a straight wig. There's not like a whole lot to say about straight wigs. Like, I like it. I think that the hair is decent. Like, I have no issues with the hair so far. This is my first time wearing it, but you know, so far, honey, no problem. She can hold the curl. Now, when I say that about holding the curl, I know my curls look really loose, but I wanted a loose look. I didn't want tight curls on this unit. I wanted a loose sort of beachy type wave, just some waves in this wig. So that is like, that's why it's not curled like super tight, but you can add curls and stuff to your units if you want to, honey. I mean, just because a wig is a straight wig, if it's human hair, you know you can curl it, girl, okay? So yeah, I have no issues with this wig whatsoever. And yeah, I think she is a look, she's a vibe, girl, and I don't feel like it took a whole lot of work because I am not the best when it comes to tweezing, just in general. So the fact that I didn't have to, like, it still looks, you know, decently tweezed without me having to do a lot of work means to me that it's more on the beginner side, like, okay? So that's how I feel about this particular wig. Oh, as far as the products and stuff that I use, I only used my Chi helmet head, and then I went in with my curling iron. And like I said, that was just because I wanted that wavy sort of look. I didn't want any tight curls on this wig whatsoever, but I want the waves to last, so I did use my helmet head. Hopefully it'll make it last a little bit, girl, because your girl wearing this wig to work tonight, okay? And yeah, that is basically it. You know, it didn't take a whole lot. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and I'm gonna give you a length check so you can see where this hair comes on me in the back. And yeah, we'll wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. It's a vibe. If you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience, honey. And we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down.